Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to view random live videos on Instagram. So all you have to do here is to open or launch your Instagram application. Now go live by tapping this live button right here or icon right here. And then you need to be live for like a couple of minutes or seconds. Everything is up to you. Then once you are ongoing with your live, you just have to click this paper on the bottom right corner and send this live to any of your friends here on your Instagram. So let me tap this and send it to my specific friend. You can go to the search bar and then look for the specific name or the name of your friend and then send this live to him or her. So once you have sent this, what you're going to do next is to simply end your live. And how are you going to end your live? All you have to do is to tap this X at the top right corner, tap end video, and then you can also click this discard media, or if you want to share this, tap the share button. And that's it. Now go to your messenger or conversation or message icon and then click OK. Now tap your live again or watch live video again. And even if the live video ended, if you scroll down here, you can see those people who are live at the moment. These are random people and I haven't followed them and I don't know them. To watch a random live, all you have to do is to click to see all, and then you can see here different people on their live. So I really hope that this video helped you. As you can see, I didn't follow these people. I just watched a random live on my Instagram. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.